Hello everyone and welcome to tutorial number 2 on Regi tutorials for JLabels. Let's get right into the program. Alright, so you're going to want to start off by creating a JFrame just like you did in the first tutorial. Or you can edit your already existing JFrame project from the previous tutorial. After creating your JFrame, you're going to create two new instance variables that are of the JLabel and JPanel class. And as you can see here, I've created a JLabel variable called label and a JPanel variable called content pane. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the use of the content pane variable? Well, in GUIs, a frame is a top-level container which holds and displays all the other components of an interface in something called a content frame. And one of the most common components in a content frame is a label. And labels created with the JLabel class are used to display text that cannot be changed by the user. However, we need to use something in order to add our label to the content frame so it can actually be displayed in our frame. And that's where our JPanel variable content pane actually comes into play. So first things first, we need to create an object of our JPanel class from the variable content pane. And as you can see here, our variable content pane is now turned into an object after we say content pane equals new JPanel. And this allows us to actually create a content pane itself, which we can use to store the label. Now, after that, our variable label becomes an object of the JLabel class, and we pass it whatever we want to display in the label. And I said, congratulations, you've successfully created a label in a GUI. And as you can see, label is now an object after we say label equals new JLabel. After that, we say content pane.addLabel. And the add method will allow us to actually add the label to the GUI itself. Finally, after adding components to the JPanel object, the content frame is added to the JFrame object using the JFrame setContentPane method. And as you can see, I use the JFrame object frame, and I say frame.setContentPane content pane. And this allows me to actually add the content pane to the frame, which stores our label, and we will now be able to see it in our GUI. Now, let's run the program and see how it works. So, as you can see here, we have our GUI, and there's our label saying, congratulations, you've successfully created a label in a GUI. I hope this program was helpful for you, and I hope that you come back for more tutorials in the future. Thank you all for watching.